From this video, you will get tips to prepare for D-DP-FN-01 exam. What is Dell Data Protection Management Foundation's V2 exam? Certification requirements. Exam topics. Passing the exam. 1. What is the primary goal of data protection? A. To ensure data confidentiality, integrity, and availability. B. To optimize storage usage. C. To reduce network traffic. D. To minimize hardware costs. Answer: A. 2. What does RPO stand for? A. Recovery Policy Objective. B. Restore Plan Operation. C. Recovery Point Objective. D. Replication Process Order. Answer: C. 3. What is a key characteristic of cloud-based data protection? A. Automatic scalability. B. High latency. C. No need for encryption. D. Limited storage capacity. Answer: A. 4. What is the purpose of a disaster recovery plan? A. To reduce data redundancy. B. To ensure business continuity after an outage. C. To increase storage efficiency. D. To implement real-time monitoring. Answer: B. 5. What is the primary purpose of data replication? A. To store data in a single location. B. To ensure data redundancy across systems. C. To reduce encryption requirements. D. To enable faster processing speeds. Answer: B. 6. What is a critical aspect of disaster recovery planning? A. Regular testing of recovery processes. B. Increased encryption levels. C. Use of public cloud storage only. D. Data deduplication implementation. Answer: A. 7. What is the purpose of a snapshot in data protection? A. Provides real-time encryption. B. Creates a point-in-time data copy. C. Compresses backup data. D. Eliminates redundant data. Answer: B. 8. What is a key feature of data archiving? A. Storing frequently accessed data. B. Long-term retention of infrequently used data. C. Eliminating duplicate data. D. Real-time data replication. Answer: B. 9. What is a key feature of an effective data protection solution? A. Ability to increase data volume. B. Regularly scheduled data purging. C. Capability to recover data quickly. D. Dependence on manual processes. Answer: C. 10. What is a key function of a backup and recovery application? A. Performing data migration that moves data between storage systems. B. Creating a stub file on the primary storage. C. Integrating with deduplication software to eliminate redundancy. D. Performing compression and decryption when transferring data. Answer: C. Subscribe and like past question.